1:55 p.m. Did make it out to the snorkel area, and my GoPro chose a fantastic time to die. But it's all right. Didn't really miss much. There's not much out there in terms of fish, and just a little bit of bleached coral reef. Nothing special. So I am going to go get some lunch. I did have a nice swim though, so that's my exercise for the day. And then after lunch, I'll head back to the lounge chair for a couple hours of reading. I still have to go over all of the shore excursions for the rest of the cruise. We have 5 more ports of call, and I need to figure out if there's any of the excursions I want to do in those ports. So I see picnic tables to see if there's the food area somewhere around here. 5:04 p.m. heading back to Norwegian Breakaway after a wonderful day at Great Stirrup Cay, private island, Bahamas.